Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring a safe baseline. Make a backup copy of the project and any referenced assets. Once done, run the legacy animation editor and load the scene you'll modify. Run as administrator if files are locked. You should immediately set the frame range and playback FPS. This aligns key timing and avoids later retiming. While you're in the File menu, verify asset paths so textures and rigs load correctly. Doing this early prevents wasted troubleshooting later. You'll now build motion. Place key poses on the timeline and choose interpolation, spline for organic arcs, linear for mechanical moves, because interpolation defines motion character. Once set, layer tracks. Base pose first, then secondary motion and any procedural modifiers. This separation keeps edits non-destructive. Make fine adjustments by trimming, slipping, and snapping key blocks to markers or frame grid to preserve sync. While adjusting, scrub playback frequently to confirm spacing and silhouette. Small timing tweaks matter more than extreme curve edits. You finish by polishing curves, sharpening contact frames, and then bake the animation to lock procedural influences and constraints. Next, export with explicit settings. Correct frame range, FBX or chosen format, scale factor, and embed media where possible so assets remain linked. If playback or export fails, check file paths, missing rig references, and FPS mismatches. Mismatched frame rates are a common cause. Finally, reload the exported file in a clean scene to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.